Welcome to another segment provided by Technical Option Traders Inc. I hope you guys are having a great day. So today I'm going to talk about the broad markets once again and just kind of see what's been going on. And I'm going to start out with SPY. Today was a very interesting day for SPY. You can say almost insider trading going on here. Nothing crazy. 3 days of consolidation that we've got going on. And you can see the volume. It's been relatively low. It's not really picking up. It's been really flat. Tomorrow with the CPI numbers coming out, it could really push the market higher. But right now, I mean, it's flat. Nothing really to do. And it could be based on the report for the CPI numbers, and which could really move the market. But for now, ascending triangle still intact. If this breaks tomorrow in either direction, we can see 427 first. Then I have a target at 432 and see if it goes higher. But if it does break to the downside and this trend line breaks, it could potentially go to the support of this big trend line, which is 413 to 410. If that breaks, we can see 402. Now, if 402 to 405 is what I have a support zone here. After 402, if 402 fails, there's a huge volume gap. And this volume gap could push SPY all the way down to 397, 398. Okay, so we can really test this. So this becomes a huge zone here where SPY could end up. If it's going to push higher, it could really fly. There's been a lot of talk, a lot of chatter that it could bring the SPY could come down. Usually when that happens, the opposite happens, but we'll see. I don't like to, speculate. Let the price run. Right now, the 8 is still pushing higher, way past the 20-day. So far, everything still looks bullish. RSI is flat, MACD's flat, which makes sense because the market is really not doing anything. Okay, so keep an eye on for that. The Qs, they did try to move. The Qs, unfortunately, are having a tough spot here, unable to push higher. Once again, volume's low. MACD is starting to move a little bit. RSI is flattening out as well. Once again, the whole market is in consolidation in anticipation of the CPI reports. So we'll see what happens, but 348 to 338 is a target. If it breaks 340, we could really fly here. The Qs, like I said, have been consolidating, but keep an eye on for the Qs, and they can really move. And like I said in my yesterday's video, the target for the Russell after 230 was going to be 235. However, I did mention that we can see a consolidation, and it does look like consolidation is happening right now. So we can see a test of 230, maybe even 229 before we begin the next leg higher. Okay, so Russell, everything's still bullish. RSI, bull trend line still intact here. Still very bullish. I mean, I expect a little bit of consolidation just for an RSI reset and then to push higher here. Okay, and from now, some of the other things I want to talk about is oil. XOP, still strong, just kind of consolidating with the whole market. Not bad at all. Oil, like I've been mentioning, could be a play. Okay, it could be something that you could watch. I'm going to cover a stock today, Amazon. Amazon's very interesting. It did break out this pennant, but this level 3311, 3300 is to watch. Until this level breaks, there's no point of trading it. You're not getting amazing momentum here. You're getting chop zones, which people who are day trading are getting chopped out of. You're losing money. It's just not fun trading this kind of environment. Wait for the level to break and then trade it. Another one, Tesla. Tesla's been interesting. This has been my pivot level 1, which is 635. It's been holding strong. Right, it's really not done much. I provided this study for people in the Discord service that I have to let them know it's below the 50. MACD is below the 0 line, and the relative volume is weak. We could have a move in Tesla, but however, I mean, it's not really giving a direction. The general trend is a downtrend. It's not really doing anything here. I would just stay away until Tesla tries to make a move. Unless you're scalping and you have a plan, Tesla, there's not much to be done here. So GME is interesting here. I was watching this support zone, this volume profile from, here to here, then the volume profile since this whole trend started from back in March. It's interesting how the the volume price point of control is at 185, so which is a big support level here. Okay, so there's not much to be done. 347 was a level that I was watching. I had this drawn here to push higher, but unfortunately it just did not. It's interesting. The earnings came out. It didn't really drop either, so we can have a further consolidation at this level before pushing higher. If GME is to move, it must push through 340, 347 to push higher. But the biggest move it would come is once it gets past 520, to push to the next level here. Okay, but if the support level to watch is 185. If 185 fails, then we could come further down. But until then, expect some sort of consolidation in GME. AMC, if you have been trading the stock, I have also mentioned this before, it's forming a pennant pattern. Now, in order for AMC to make a move, you have to really watch here a break of either direction. If this breaks this lower support line, I expect it to slowly make its way back down to 25, then maybe even to 19. If it breaks the upper trend line, the upper resistance line, I expect it to make its way back to the hundreds. Okay, so either way, let the price determine which way it wants to go. Right now, nothing to do, consolidation. Let's wait and see what happens here. Okay, so guys, trade with a plan, have an exit strategy. Your money is always at risk. Do not gamble your money. Okay, and once again, this is not advice, this is just my opinion. If you guys enjoy the content, please like and subscribe, and you guys have a great day.